What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here's the iPhone 7. So iOS 13 performance review on the iPhone 7. Yeah. So as you can see, let me go to the iPhone journal software update about. It's running on the iOS 13 1.2. So the performance is quite good, to be honest with you. It's very snappy. As you can see, I can open the wallpaper. I can open the web browser as I like. Yeah, I mean setting. I can do a lot of stuff, to be honest with you, easily without any problem. I mean camera, it open quite quick. You can web browser, box. It show a little bit hiccups. I wanna be honest with you. There's a little bit lag, but other than that, it's quite fast. I mean, to be honest with you, it's quite fast. Yeah, I mean the performance is quite good, to be honest with you, on the iPhone 7. I mean, I don't know what to complain, to be honest with you. As you can see, I mean it's quite fast, to be honest with you. I mean, although it talks very good. Yeah, I mean, I have no complaint, to be honest with you. I mean, to be honest with you, yeah, I have no complaint. So the performance is quite good. So it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye. Yeah, I mean, literally, I have no complaint. I mean, yeah, it just worked quite good, to be honest with you. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.